Good morning, Moto family. This is Moto Mike, and today I'm going to do a video. It's a little bit different than before. Show you a little bit more about my life. This is my farm up here, and we're going to feed my animals this morning. You can hear they're so loud, they're so hungry. I have the geese and the ducks over here, their houses, and then there's their pond over there. You can see them. My papaya trees, my banana trees, and I got so many lemon trees planted around here too. Over here we got more of the chickens area. Got Sasu chickens mixed with some native chickens in here. This is just some of them. It's just one of their areas that connects around. They have a big area. I'll go through here. This is the nursery for the babies, which we don't have any right now, but they go in there. This is my garage I made for the korong over here. It's the piggery for the baboy here. It's my baby piggies. Hi babies. Good morning. And there's another. This is Pixie. Say hi, Pixie. And this is the Mama Peppa. Peppa Pig. Good girl, Peppa. This is my farm through here. And then you got more over this way. Go through here and move this timber out of the way. One of my morungai trees. Go down here. It's the poultry. Oh, we got a surprise this morning. We got babies. Oh, we got baby chicks hatched. All right. We got 2 baby chicks there we gotta take out and bring to the house and put underneath the sea though. That's a good thing. Surprise. I keep pecking at the other eggs. At least we got a couple babies there. And here's more of the chickens. We got turkeys too. There's one turkey over there. There's another chicken back over there. All right. Let's see here. Hopefully there's more than 2 babies, but looks like only 2 babies there. Yeah, there's some more of the turkeys. Big turkey over there. So all this area connects to the other chicken area you saw over there. So this is another part of my life. When I'm not riding the motorcycles, I'm out here taking care of all the animals. So again, thanks for watching, and don't forget and click and subscribe for more new videos on my channel. And if you have any requests or anything else, just please let me know. So again, click and subscribe to my channel, and I'll talk to you later.